Pulse Chain just launched today. I'm going to show you a way to check to see if you have any free PRC20 tokens. Let's take a look. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel, where I try to bring you the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips and low market cap gems that can have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Drop a like on this video. I'd really appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, the long-awaited Pulse Chain mainnet has launched. I guess it's this afternoon, today, sometime this afternoon, evening. I just got home from work and I came home to look and check it out. There's a few things you can do now before the bridging over from Ethereum to Pulse Chain or Pulse Chain to Ethereum happens. You cannot do that yet, but you can check to see if you have PRC20 tokens. What that is, that's going to be the Pulse Chain version of the ERC20 tokens. Pulse Chain is a exact fork of Ethereum. So any token that you have on Ethereum, you should have an exact copy on Pulse Chain. If you didn't know, I'm not going to go into all the details of Pulse Chain, but I just wanted to get this video out to show you what you can do to see if you have any of those free tokens. They will have value. I'm not sure what the value will be. I don't if a Matic token on Ethereum or a Matic token on Pulse Chain will be the same price. Who knows? Nobody knows right now. It's all speculation. I'm just going to show you how you can check that. Okay, first things first, when you come to pulsechain.com, what's going to happen is it's going to ask you if you want to add the Pulse Chain network. So when you go to this page, I believe right here, it'll say that I already added Pulse Chain. Otherwise, you can copy and paste the networks into your MetaMask. Once you've added the Pulse Chain to your MetaMask, you can add the tokens. You can add PulseX here. If we go ahead and hit that, we can add the token to our wallet so we can see it in our assets here. So that's PulseX. PulseX is a DEX on Pulse Chain. It's going to be, I believe, the main DEX for Pulse Chain. To see if you have any PRC20 tokens, you can go to scan.pulsechain.com. And here they have a kind of a cool setup where you can actually see all the different apps. If you click on this, it shows all the apps. So we're going to go to the Sacrifice Checker. And on this, you can scan your wallet to see if there's any PRC20 tokens to add. So you click on this and then you hit scan. And what it'll do is it's going to search through all the different tokens and add them to your wallet. So right here it shows I got a little bit of Matic. I add that. And then it's going to go through all the PRC20 tokens. Again, those are exact replicas of your ERC20 tokens that were on Ethereum, and it is bridged, or not bridged, it is forked over to Pulse Chain. So you'll have that exact same amount of tokens on Pulse Chain that you did on Ethereum. And again, those are only on Ethereum. So if you have like Binance Smart Chain or Avalanche or other networks tokens, you will not have those. Just the ones that are on Ethereum. If anybody's really interested in Pulse Chain and PulseX and Hex, let me know in the comments and I'll do a video explaining more of it. I just wanted to throw this out there because it's kind of time sensitive because the Pulse Chain just launched today. So I wanted to get this out as soon as possible. This Pulse Ramp bridge is going to be the next thing that comes out. And it's going to say, I think in the next couple of days, they're saying, that's the rumor at least, that we're going to be able to bridge from Ethereum to Pulse Chain and vice versa. That's when price discovery will start for these tokens because their pricing is going to be different. There's going to be arbitrage opportunities, I'm sure, between the two chains, between Ethereum and Pulse Chain. Let's go back here. What other apps are there? There's the PulseX, pulse chain, pulse ramp, and then the sacrifice checker. If you sacrificed, I'm sure you already know more about this project than probably I do. On this page where it says tokens, you can actually get the token addresses for any of the ERC20 tokens to add to your wallet. So you can go all the way down this list and you can click on the token and get the actual token address, and you can add that directly to your wallet. So for instance, let's see, I don't know, do this one, click on it, then we copy and paste the, you would copy it and then you would paste it right in your import tokens on MetaMask here. You'd paste it and then it would come up and then you'd add the custom token. I don't have any of this whatever ALX token, so I'm not going to do. Okay, that's all I wanted to do, is I wanted to go over this really quick. Again, if you want me to do another video on Pulse Chain in the future, leave in the comments. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.